More than 150 bikers rallied over the weekend to support police officers who violently arrested a black woman earlier this year at a Waffle House restaurant in Alabama. Sunday's demonstration was organized in response to protest against police brutality prompted by the April 19 arrest, which police defended as justifié, reported WALA-TV. Police arrested Chikesia Clements in April at the Sarah Land Eatery after she argued with employees over a 50 cents for plastic utensils with her order, and video shows a woman's breast was exposed and an officer threatened to break her arm during a struggle. Officers say Clements and her friend threatened Waffle House employees and refused to leave, but attorney for the woman have disputed that claim. Event organizer Kenda Fenton Todd sided with police and invited motorcycle enthusiasts to show their support for police in the racially charged incident. With all the controversy due to the recent arrest of by the young lady, it was just necessary to show to the people that we support them, Todd said. You can't just walk into an establishment and be belligerent and threatening and hostile and not suffer the outcome of getting arrested. We just felt that it was necessary to show to the guys that we back them, Todd said. Clements, who was charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest, should have expected to be violently taken to the floor and stripped partially nude in front of other customers. You either obey the law and you comply or things happen, Todd said. They did their job. They had to do their job, that's what they're trained to do. It was unfortunate that the young lady's wardrobe had exposed herself, she added. But under the circumstances, like the SID, if you don't comply with the law then you're going to get manhandled whether you're a woman or a man. The bikers gathered for breakfast at the restaurant and then rode to the Sarah Land Police Department headquarters, where they waved flags and signs showing support for police officers. We bring peace, Todd said. We're all about peace, so we're not here to raise a ruckus or anything. We're just here to fellowship orderly and have breakfast and show to the guys that we love them, Beatrice King, the youngest daughter of the Rev. Martin Luther King Jr. and CEO of the King Center, HAS called for a boycott of Waffle House over Clements' arrest and 3 other race-related incidents in recent months at the chain's restaurant. A white gunman killed 4 black customers April 23 at a Waffle House in Antioch, Tennessee, and a black customer was locked outside of a Pinson, Alabama, restaurant while white customers were served inside. A police officer shocked a black customer last month in Warsaw,